Hi students, I welcome you all. I hope you are all fine. We entering into next academic year 2020 to 2021. I go to take the subject is Object Oriented Programming Language and Data Structures. This is the one of the important programming language. It is very helpful to develop software programs. So, if you want to write any software program, you know the basic concept used in object oriented programming language. Whatever the programming language you have to take and your requirement is different programming languages available. Next we go to see what is programming language. A programming language is a computer language programmers used to develop software programs, scripts or other set of instructions for computers to execute. The last year you studied C programming language. Now I give one small example what is language. We communicate person to person means we go to use some languages Tamil, English, Urdu, Hindi, so on. Like that we go to communicate computer system means we know some languages that is C, C++, Java, .NET, so on. What is C programming language? C programming is a general purpose procedure programming language developed in the year 1972 by Dennis M. Ritchie at the Bell Telephone Laboratories. Next, why to learn C programming? C programming language is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer when they are working in software development domain. The next advantages of C. The first one easy to learn. The second one is structure language. Third one is it can handle low level activities. The fourth one is it can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. Next I give here one small program. We go to print hello. Hello is a one type of string. Okay. The first one include stdio.h. It is called header file. All input and outputs are stored in stdio.h. The next one int main. It is the entry point of the program. The next one printf. It is you go to print the value. Next return 0. Return 0 means it is terminate the program. Already you know computer system knows only the binary values zeros and ones. Okay. Return 0 means the OS understand the program is terminate. Return 1 means the OS understand the program having some errors. Next we go to enter object oriented programming language. Programming language allows programmers to develop software. There are three major families of languages. The first one is machine language, that is zeros and ones. Zeros and ones are binary values. The second one is assembly language, that is mnemonics. For example, add, sub and move. The third one is high level language. Next, what is high level language? The high level language is classified into two types. The first one is procedure language. The second one is object oriented programming language. What is procedure language? The procedure language is otherwise called programming language. It is high level programming language or typically called as programming language. Example C, COBOL, Fortran, HTML. The second one is object oriented programming. It is an approach to develop software programming. Example C++, .NET, Java. Now you understood object oriented programming is a high level language. Procedure language have some disadvantages. The disadvantages is overcome by object oriented programming language. Procedure language having some problems. Object oriented programming has introduced to overcome to the procedure language problems, such as the first one is reusability, the second one is maintainability. Procedure language don't have the reusability and maintainability. The next topic is object and classes. It is very important concepts in object oriented programming. It is a basic concept. Okay. First we go to see what is object. The next class we see classes. Objects. It is a piece of code which represent the real life entity. Here I give one example, car. Car is a one object. Object having attributes and functionality. Attributes is otherwise called variables or data members. The second functionality is otherwise called methods. You take car, it is one type of objects, already I told. It is classified into two types, attributes and functionality. What are the attributes in car means car having wheels, what type of color, that's are called attributes. Functionality means speed, how long that car is go. The next one, classes. The next class we go to see what is classes and examples. Okay, thank you.